welcome to today's one take bike tips. Today's is a really short one but a really easy one. We get people coming in all the while and they say, I've lost my pump adapter, can I have another one? Here's what you need to do. You just take your pump adapter and then trying to use the wrong hand. Best place to store it is on the valve. So you just screw it on there, like that. And then get a Presta cap. This is probably one that ain't going to fit, now my luck. Here we go. Screw that on. And you've always got your valve adapter with you. You'll never lose it. Always be with you when you need it. It's no good at the bottom of the toolbox in the back of the shed if you're 20 miles from home. I really hope that one's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it has helped you, and we'll see you in the next one.